Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dynamic remarketing ads and Google Ads, and how you can boost your sales with personalized ads in 2024. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is dynamic remarketing? Well, it's a powerful tool that allows you to create highly tailored ads for your potential customers based on their previous interactions with your website. Let me give you an example. Say I was browsing for a certain product on your site, but didn't quite pull the trigger on making a purchase. Then, I head over to my favorite search engine, that's right, Google, and what do I see? A remarketing ad for that very same product I was checking out earlier. Talk about target marketing. Remarketing ads are truly game changers when it comes to boosting sales. By creating personalized ads tailored to each user's interests, you're increasing the likelihood of them returning to your site and completing a purchase. To get started with dynamic remarketing ads and Google Ads, here are some tips. 1. Set up dynamic retargeting in Google Ads using Google Tag Manager. 2. Create dynamic retargeting campaigns in Google Ads. And 3. Ensure your product data is accurate and complete. And there you have it, folks. Embrace dynamic remarketing ads and Google Ads, and watch your sales soar in 2024 with personalized ads. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this one. Until next time, happy advertising.